हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। माय नेम इज़ मोहम्मद आरिश और आज के लेक्चर में हम हिस्ट्री का चैप्टर नंबर 8 अशोका द एम्परर हु गेव अप वॉर के एक्सरसाइजेस क्वेश्चंस करने वाले हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, मेक अ लिस्ट ऑफ द ऑक्यूपेशंस ऑफ द पीपल हु लिव्ड विदाउट द मौर्यन एम्पायर। आंसर, द occupations followed by the people were: first, farming; second, pastoral farming; third, food gathering in the forest; fourth, masonry; fifth, carpentry; sixth, stone cutting and craftsmanship. Question number 2, complete the following sentence. A. Officials collected dash from the area under the direct control of the ruler. Answer है taxes. B. Royal princes often went to provinces as dash. Answer, governors. C. The Mauryan rulers tried to control dash and dash, which were important for transport. Answer, roads and rivers. D1. People in forested region provided the Mauryan officials with dash. Answer, tribute. Question number 3, write whether the following are true or false. A. Ujjain was the gateway of the northwest. False. B. Chandragupta's ideas were written down in Arthashastra. False. Kalinga was the ancient name of Bengal. False. D. Most Ashokian inscriptions are in Burmese script. True. Question number 4, what were the problems that Ashoka wanted to solve by introducing Dhamma? Answer, there were a number of problems that troubled Ashoka. People in the empire followed different religions and these times led to conflict. Animals and sacrificed slaves and servants were ill treated. There were quarrels in the family and among the neighbors. He felt it was his duty to solve these problems. Question number 5, Ashoka were the means adopted by Ashoka to spread the message of Dhamma. Answer, the means adopted by Ashoka to spread the message of Dhamma were: first, Ashoka adopted officials called Dhamma Mahamathas who went from place to place teaching people and about Dhamma. Second, Ashoka got his message inscribed on rock edicts and pillar and instructing his officers to road it out to those people who could not read it themselves. Question number 6, why do you think slaves and servants were ill treated? Do you think the elders and of the emperor who have improved the condition? Give reason for your answer. Answer, most of the prisoners who either slaves and servants and were ill-treated because their masters felt superior to them. Yes, the order of the emperor would have impressed their conditions, and he was the head of the state. He could have issued laws regarding this unequal treatment. If you enjoyed this video, do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video, and bye bye.